morning, everyone. How are today? Of course, all of you always be fine. We meet again with Miss Rina Fenaria today. Alright, before we continue on our English lesson today, we pray first from our home. Alright, let's go. Right, finish. Thank you. Okay, today we will continue on our English lesson. Today is Monday, 23 of November 2020. Today, Miss will give you material from your student book, page 66 until 69, and then from your workbook, page 60 until 67. Alright? Okay, we see our material for today. Oke, before we continue, nah di sini Miss ada mau kasih latihan mau ambil nilai kita ya di bab 5-nya. Nih, kerjakan latihan di workbook halaman 59 dan 54. 64. Latihan dikumpulkan ke WA Miss Sri paling telat tanggal 26 ya. Kamis ini tanggal 26. Diharapkan semua siswa untuk mengumpulkan tugas ini karena ini untuk ambil nilai. Terima kasih atas kerjasamanya. Nah, ingat ada PR ya, halaman 59 dan 54. Terus PR-nya dikumpulkan ke WA Miss Ri paling telat tanggal 26. Oke. Seandainya hari ini belum bisa, kan ada Zoom tematik, ada hafalan perkalian ya. Nah, nggak apa-apa, besok boleh, tetapi paling telatnya hari Kamis ya, tidak mesti hari ini. Oke. Okay, we move to our material today. Alright. This material is taken from your student book, page 66, part 2. Part 1. Listen, read, and talk about question. Alright, okay. Look at your student book, page 66. Okay. Nah, di sini about recycling. Ya, nah, daur ulang. Di sini ada we throw things away every day. This is called trash. A lot of trash goes into big holes in the ground called landfills. Landfills are bad for our world. This is why recycling is a good idea. What things do we throw away? Nah, di sini ya tentang recycling. Recycling itu adalah daur ulang ya, daur ulang sampah. Nah, ini ya, we throw things away every day. Kita membuang sampah, maksudnya membuang sampah itu setiap hari. Nah, kita membuang benda, dia bilang ini benda setiap hari, itu yang kita sebut dengan sampah. Berarti kita harus setiap hari kan di rumah buang sampah? Iya. Nah, a lot of trash goes to in the big holes in the ground called landfill. Nah, di sini ya sampah-sampah yang menumpuk banyak itu membentuk lubang yang besar dan itu yang dinamakan landfill, itu pembuangan sampah. Nah, pembuangan sampah ini tidak bagus untuk alam kita ya. Nah, jadi kenapa harus kita daur ulang? Karena agar alam kita tetap terjaga dan tidak rusak. Hayo, siapa yang sering buang sampah sembarangan? Nah, apalagi sampah-sampah plastik ya, itu sangat merusak alam kita. Okay, we continue the next slide. Alright. This line is taken from your workbook page, student book page 66 part 2. Listen and read about recycling. Number the picture. Recycling itu daur ulang, pembuatan ulang ya. Nah, di sini Miss nggak listen ya, kita baca aja, nanti kita give a number here. Alright. When we recycle, we take trash and make it into new things. Nah, recycle itu kita mengolah sampah-sampah itu menjadi barang yang baru. Yuk kita lihat. Number 1, when we can make old newspaper and magazines into new things. Nah, dari bahan dari koran-koran, majalah itu diolah menjadi didaur ulang menjadi tisu. Oke. Itu yang mana ya? Kira-kira number one here. Yang ini ya. Sorry, gambar Miss ini agak miring-miring. I'm so sorry. Alright. And then number 2, we can make all bottles and jars into new glass. Nah, kita dapat membuat botol-botol ya, botol atau botol kaca ya menjadi barang yang baru. Yang mana? Yang ini. Oke, kita kasih nomor 2 yang ini. Terus yang number 3, I'm sorry, salah Miss ya. Sorry, sebentar dulu. Wait. Alright. And then, okay. Botol kacanya. Ya, yang inilah. Okay, I'm sorry tadi. Okay, and then number 3, we can make metal from the fridge into new metal. Nah, metal itu barang-barang seperti aluminium, besi-besi itu ya. Nah, seperti yang bekas kulkas, dia bilang itu kita bisa menyulapnya menjadi barang baru juga. Yang ini 3. And then number 4, we can make all fruit and vegetables into the garden. Nah, kita bisa mengolah ini ya, sampah-sampah makanan, vegetables, fruit. Mungkin yang seperti ekoenzim itu ya, ekoenzim yang diolah sama vihara kita itu ya, kan tahu ya. Mungkin ada beberapa di antara kalian ada yang juga mama atau papanya yang buat ekoenzim ya. Oke. Nah, seperti itulah recycling of trash. Okay, let's continue the next slide. Alright, this slide is taken from your student book, page 67. Look, read, and stick the trash in the correct containers. Nah, di sini kita mau stick the sticker. For the first, please take your sticker in the last page on your student book. Ya, di halaman terakhir student book kalian itu. Nah, lihat ada yang stiker, biasa kita ambil stiker itu ya. Nah, di situ ada tulis unit 5 page 63. Nah, yuk ambil semuanya itu ya. Ada sampah apa itu? Banana, newspaper, gel, botol, box ya, sama can ya, itu kaleng itu ya. Oke. Take it first. Miss Wade. Alright. Okay. Dan, alright. Let's we stick. Nah, fruit and vegetables. Nah, dia bilang, tempelkan berarti stick the sticker fruit and vegetables. Let's go. Nah, di sini Miss langsung gabung 2 ya, karena dekat. Kalian silakan tempelkan stikernya. Oke, and then glass. Yuk, tempelkan glassnya. Okay, good. And then paper and cardboard. Alright, and then the last metal. Let's stick. Alright, good. Let's continue the next slide. Alright, this line is taken from your student book, page 68. Listen and write number the picture. Okay. Nah, di sini kita akan mendengarkan cerita, lalu beri nomor pada kotak-kotaknya. Okay, let's listen the audio.
Student's book, page 68. 1. Listen and act it out with your teacher. Then, listen again and number the pictures.
1.
Look out the window.
2.
It's cold outside.
3.
Where's your hat?
4.
Look under your bed.
5. 5.
Look in the closet.
6.
Nothing.
7.
The cat has it.
8.
Oh no. This is the end of CD2.
Alright, let's we repeat again.
Student's Book, page 68. 1. Listen and act it out with your teacher. Then listen again and number the pictures.
1.
Look out the window.
2.
It's cold outside.
3.
Where's your hat?
4.
Look under your bed.
5.
Look in the closet.
6.
Nothing.
7.
The cat has it.
8.
Oh no. This is the end of CD2.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. Next we check, okay? Number 1, look out the window. Which one? The picture. Here. Alright, and then number 2, it's cold outside. Yang mana? Which one? Alright, good. And then number 3, where is your hat? Which one? Alright. And then number 4, look under your bed. Alright. And then number 5, look in the closet. Good. And then number 6, nothing. Number 7, the cat has it. Number 8, oh no. Alright. Don't forget to write on your student book. Okay, let's we move the next slide. This slide is still taken from your student book, page 68, part 2. Read and number the sentences from the story. Okay, yang mana number 1? Okay, look out the window. Tadi Miss sudah baca ya. It's cold outside. And then, where is your hat? Look under your bed. Look in the closet. Nothing, ya. Alright, nah. Okay, let's we move the next slide. Why this line is taken from your student book, page 69. Is it about quiz time? Ya, quiz time from unit 5. Nah, ini yang di unit 5 semuanya ya, kilas baliknya. Okay, let's we see. Number 1, let's we discuss. What's on the wall? Nah, apa yang ada di picture? A picture and a clock. Good. And then number 2, do you like blah 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 orange clock over there? Okay. This, that, those. That. Alright. Good. And then number 3, Tim thinks the couch is awful. Alright. Good. And then number 4, what's in the room? A closet and a bed. Good job. And then number 5, blah, 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 cap is this whose. Alright. And then number 6, what does Flash leave on the lamp? A t-shirt. Good. And then number 7, circle different sound. Book, doll, clock. Jadi doll. And then number 8, the trash is not good for an environment. Alright. Oke, jangan lupa ya dikerjakan di buku kalian itu. Right? We continue on the next slide. Right, this line is taken from your workbook page 60. Okay, look and circle the things in the song. Then write how many things are there in the picture. Alright. Nah, kalian nanti terus sendiri ya, hitung ya. Oke. Let's check. Look and circle the things in the song. Nah, ini sudah ada di lingkarin. Nah, then write how many things there are in the picture. Right. Yang pertama ada 2 couch, ya 2. Sofanya 2. Here and here, right? And then armchair. How many armchair? Armchairnya ada armchair yang ada tangan yang bisa 1 orang aja ya. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, berarti 4 armchairs. And then the last, tables, ya. How many tables? There are 6 tables, ya. Here, 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 here. Gimana lagi ya? Bisa dicek, kalian cek sendiri, cari. Ada 6 tables. 6 tables, ya. There are 6 tables. Right? Let's continue the next slide. Alright, this slide is taken from your your workbook page 61. Match the question with the answer. Alright. And then di sini ada gambarnya ya. Nah, di sini ada jawaban, ada gambar, pertanyaan dan jawaban. Oke, yuk kita cocokkan. Whose boots are these? Alright, jawabannya they are mine. Ini example-nya. And then number 2, whose pen is this? It's mine. And then number 3, whose bike is this? Is it Jan's? No, it's not Jan. It's mine. And then number 4, the rest, whose red socks are this? Are they yours? Yes, they are. Alright. Okay. Then jangan lupa ya dikerjakan di buku workbooknya. Okay, let's continue. Alright. This line still from page 61. Okay, part 2. Answer the question. Number 1. Whose cap is this? It's Bob's. And then whose shoes are these? They are I'm sorry, ini bukan pak ya. Sorry, they are pete. Okay. Punya si PT ini. Okay, Miss tulis ya. Kalian tulis PT, not pak. Bisa lah ketik nih. Alright. Okay. And then number 3, whose sweater is this? It's Dave's. Alright. Okay. We continue the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 62. Okay, listen and check the box. Like usually, we will listen the audio and then we check who say that. Alright, let's listen.
Workbook, page 62. 1. Listen and check the box.
1. Can Flash come to the park? 2.
Can I go to the park now?
3,
I don't believe it.
Right? Miss repeats once again.
Workbook, page 62. 1. Listen and check the box.
1. Can Flash come to the park? 2.
Can I go to the park now?
3.
I don't believe it.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. And then let's check our answer. Number 1. Can Flash come to the park? Who say that? Good. Whisper. And then number 2. Can I go to the park now? Flash. Alright. And then number 3. I don't believe it. Flash mom. Alright, good. And then we continue the next slide. Right? This line is taken from your student book. Your workbook, page 62, part 2. Read and circle, then read the story and text. Okay, number 1. Story whisper, not now. She is cleaning up her room or the kitchen, her room. Alright. And then number 2, I don't like cleaning up. Oh, I have an idea. Good. And then number 3, just a minute. Let's apa ini? Let's check first. Alright. And then number 4, wow, the room is really clean. Alright. Good. Okay. Let's move the next slide. This slide still from page 62, part 3. Match the picture with the sentences. Right. Number 1. For example, number 1. Can we eat now? Okay. And then number 2-nya, finish. And then number 3, I don't believe it. Alright. Okay, we move the next slide. This line is taken from your workbook, page 63. Look and circle. Nah, yang benarnya yang mana? Picture number 1 or number 2? Number 2, alright? Okay, we circle. Alright? Okay, we continue the next slide. This line is taken from your workbook, page 63. Alright? Say and write the words under look or school. Nah, kita mau menuliskan menuliskan kosakata ya, sesuai based on the picture. Alright. Di sini ada ya, kalau di buku kalian itu ada pilihannya yang dalam box itu. Di sini nggak Miss buatkan apa ya. Yang penting jawabannya nanti kita bahas sama-sama. Alright. Di bawah schoolnya ini picture ini apa? Food. Alright. Yang ini good. This one zoo. And then this one food. And then this one pool. Alright. Good. Okay. We continue the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 65. Oh ya, yang halaman 64-nya jangan lupa itu adalah homework. Alright. Nanti Miss kirimkan audionya juga ya. Okay. Yang 65. Okay. A vacation in ice and snow. Right. Read and circle. Nah, kita akan bacakan dulu Nanti baru kita jawab ya, kita circle ya. Alright. Oke, yang number 1 di sini sudah ada ya. Many people go to hot countries for their vacation. They like swimming, alright, in the ocean. They love the sunny weather. Other people go to cold countries. They like the snow. The ice hotel is a great place for this. Alright. People, it's in Canada. Would you like a vacation at the ice hotel? Ice hotel ya, wow. Everything is ice. Semuanya dari es semua ya. There are or there is. There are beautiful big ice lamps. There is an ice restaurant and there are 80 ice in kitchen or bedroom. Bedroom, good. In the rooms, there are ice table, ice armchair, ice couch, and of course ice beds. But don't worry, you get 2 very warm sleeping bags for the night. Nah, semuanya dari es. Hotelnya es, ya sofanya, mejanya, semua dari es. Oke. Nah, yuk sekarang nih dikerjakan ya di buku kalian dilingkari seperti Miss ini. Alright, let's continue. Alright, this line is taken from your workbook page 66. Right, look the trash, read and answer. Nah, ini the trash ya, sampah. Okay, and then read and answer. Jawab pertanyaannya, right? Okay, there are 6 questions. Okay, is there a TV? For example, no, there isn't. And then number 2, is there a bed? No. Alright. And then number 3, are there 3 lamps? Alright. Yes, there are. Ada 3 lampunya ya. Okay, here. And then is there a mirror? Yes, there is. And then number 5, are there 2 armchairs? Yes, there are. And then number 6, are there 2 bikes? No, there aren't. Ada 2 bikes-nya, harusnya ada there are 3 ya. Alright. Okay, don't forget to write on your workbook. Okay, we continue this slide. Still on page 66, but part 2. Look and through lines. We can make this into this. Nah, kita bisa membuat ini yang sudah diperbarui dari sampah yang di bawah ini. Oke, dari sampah yang di bawah ini kita bisa perbarui menjadi yang ini ya. Oke, dari newspaper menjadi paper. Oke. Terus dari botol ini kita bisa menjadikan yang mana? I'm sorry, wait. Tarik garis dulu, okay? Dari ini, and then masal here, and then here. Alright. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Nah, di sini Miss nggak menggambar, tetapi kan gambar sendiri nanti ya. Drew trash in the recycling container. Nah, food ini kan makanan. Miss tarik garis aja ya. Ke sini makanannya. Nah, kalau glass yang ini, paper yang mana aja paper? Kertas-kertasnya mana? Here. And then ada lagi mana? Nggak ada ya. Nih, metal itu yang kaleng-kaleng seperti sendok ini, nah itu masuk metal. Ini paper juga ya. Nih, kertas nih ya. Oke. Nah, ini juga majalah masuk ke kertas. Nah, kalian bisa bedakan sendiri mana itu masuk ke paper, glass, and metal. Tadi sudah dijelaskan ya. Oke, gambar sendiri ya, Miss nggak gambar di sininya. Oke, and then let's we continue. Alright, this line is taken from your workbook page 67. Nah, write a list. Okay, 5 things I throw away every day. 5 benda yang sering kamu buang setiap harinya. Ayo yang pertama, kalian apa? Kalau Miss ini. Pertama paper. The second plastic bottle. Ayo, siapa yang sering minum minuman soft drink itu? Nah, pasti seperti Yakult ya. Nah, susu itu. Ayo. Number 3, plastics. Number 4, food. Number 5, tisu. Nah, kalian boleh misalnya mau tulisnya selain dari punya Miss ini, boleh silakan ya. Ini versinya Miss. Alright. Okay. Nah, Miss think enough for meeting today. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Kalau belum ada yang kurang jelas, boleh ditanyakan ke Miss ya. Okay. Nah, don't forget to do your homework and collect it to Miss. Send to my WA. Oke, kirim ke WA Miss ya. Nanti audio-audionya akan Miss kirimkan ya. Alright. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.